Pickling beetroot, that's the next job I'm going to do. Bought some beetroots from Lidl's. Did I like your hand off? There we go. And you're going to top and tail them. Let's have a look at these. Let's see, there we go. That's what I'm going to do, and there we go. Make it nice and clean. Okay, I've got 6 to do, so I'll do one more and I will pause and crack on with the rest. Okay, top and tailed, beautiful. Now give them a quick swirl. There we go. Oh, I won't get them all in like that, that'd be nice. I might be after. Oh. That should be alright, that should be alright, yeah. Top up with water now. There you go, that's it. Set the timer, 20 minutes or just before, and just keep testing them until you can stick a knife in them. Oops. Just tested it, nowhere near yet. So I think, oh, the bell stopped, so it's going to be a bit more than 20 minutes. I've got on simmer. I'll just show you one. They're done. So look at this, watch. That's all you have to do to peel them. It just comes. Can you see that all right? It looks a bit out of focus. Well, it is dark in here. We try the flash. There we go. Is that better? Yeah, so you just, look. So I took them out, stopped them from cooking, put them in some cool water so it cooled it down straight away. So they need a bit more cooling down. So I just put them on the side on our drainer, and I'll just, look at this, so easy. It was so cheap. I think it was, I think, what were they? About 75p for a bundle of 3. And that's how you peel them. Look at that. Done. Right, so I'll give them a swirl and I'll show you in a sec. I don't know if you're into clothes dyeing, you know, when you tie a knot in clothes, and you could use that sort of stuff, couldn't you? Or the juice, I don't know. Anyway, there you go. I'm going to leave them on the drainer. Just let them cool now. That's it. And then tomorrow I'll slice them and we'll get some jars ready. A bit of skin. And we'll get some jars and we'll put them in. That's simple. Same as pickled onions, actually. I've got a video of the pickled onions. No, I haven't, this side. I'll put it over there. I'll put a link in the description down below. Right, come out of that, yeah. Okay, brilliant. Sterilize 3 jars. This is for the beetroot, and we've got chili flakes, mustard seeds. What's this one? I forgot what this one is. Oh, coriander seeds. Oh, yeah. And what's the other one, James? There's big long seeds. The ones at the bottom. I can't know what they're called. No, cardamoms.
Yeah.
At the bottom of that one.
Is that cardamom?
I think, I'll have a look. I think it is, yeah. Pretty sure. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna slice the beetroot, which I'm gonna get out now. Look at those beauts. I was gonna slice it on, I'm not gonna slice it on the wooden board, I'm gonna slice it on the plate, because you know what happens, it's gonna stain, and it'll stay like that forever. So I'm just gonna put one out. Get a nice sharp knife, and I'll just show you. It's about the average thickness, I think, isn't it?
Yeah. What's the matter, darling?
No, he's always moaning. He likes milk, doesn't he?
He likes beetroot.
He does not like bees, not even my beetroot. So mind your fingers.
You cut them in half.
Well, you cut your fingers in half as well. I don't mind what you're saying.
Cut the beetroot in half, I was saying.
All right, yeah.
More manageable then. It's a big one, isn't it?
I'll do that one and then I'll put it in the jar and I'll just show. Always a thick one. Sorry. You do what you want anyway. You can have them. You can have them in chunks. It's quite favourable, isn't it?
More in a jar.
And you get them. You get them in a salad dressing. So I might do a chunky one. That'll do for now. Look at those. Aren't they beauties?
They are.
Oop. I'll just do a couple. It's not hard to see how you fill a jar up, is it? Sorry, camera. I might slice them a bit as well. Okay, so that was 2 and maybe a half beetroot, and that's pretty full. So I'll top it up now with the malt vinegar. Okay, that's what I'm using. That's what's left. Well, I bought another 4 kilos of onions and done them. They're ready to be done. I've just got them salted over here actually. Just show you. There we go. They're ready to go in. Because I've already done these 2 weeks ago in this one. You can see all this. We do all this foraging stuff. I ate them all. So they're going to go back in here now and top that back up again. Here's one I did earlier. There's 2 massive onions. I thought they would look so beautiful and round. I thought they're going in there as well. Anyway, back to the beetroot. So cut them lengthways, well, chip size, and I'm going to put them into little cubes. Probably about 3/4 inch, half inch, 3/4 inch cubes. Make them as big or as small as you want. Okay, so one slices and the other one cubed, and that's all 6 medium-sized beetroots, and they're fitted in 2. Well, one's a set. I think they're both 750-gram jars. Is that right? There's no label on that, but yeah, they look pretty similar. 750. That might be 700, but I don't know. I would have thought the same. So I'll just fill that one up with malt vinegar, and because we're not using this jar, I'm just going to share the spices into the other 2 jars. Done. Put the lid on, give them a bit of a shake, get the herbs going around everywhere. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up. Look at that. Look, I've been shot. Like and subscribe, notification bell over there. Come coming videos over the other side. Take care. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vid. All the best. Bye.